Hello guys, so welcome to the Diva universe. So welcome to another creative video. So in today's video I want to share with you guys some of the samples that I received for the designs that I made. This is one of them that I'm actually wearing. I love it. I had to make the sample because I wanted to see like the quality, the fitting. So it says I eat fear for breakfast because that's what we do. And then in the back it has like, let me see if you guys can see, a really cool quote. But this one is like one of them that I discarded because I did not like the text. Like, I like the text, I just don't like the letter type for it. And that is one of the samples. And then here we have another one that's also I eat fear for breakfast. And then on the back it has I did it tired, did it broke, but never alone, always with God. And then underneath it has Isaiah 41:13. And I was really inspired because a lot of the times I saw this quote like did it alone, did it broke, blah blah blah, and I was like, yeah, that's semi-true, but it's not only truthful, it's not fully truthful for me, because personally I did everything with God. Like, I didn't broke, I didn't tired, but I was never alone. I was always under the divine guidance of God. So I'm really grateful. And then I made another one. I had another sample made, and this one has a small text that said it's never luck, it's always God. And then on the back of it we have don't believe it, know it. And then and you shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free, John 8:32. And so I was really inspired, and I personally like to wear these type of sweaters, like just with motivational, inspirational quotes. And this idea basically started because I had a client that wanted me to make these sweaters for their holiday, because they was doing like a charity where they were giving like the less fortunate food. And so they wanted everyone to have the same sweater, which was for this church. So I had it done, the original, which was this one, Fear Over Faith. You've probably saw me wear it a few times. Faith over fear. And then on the back it also have faith over fear. And then the Lord is always on my side, I will not fear. What can a man do to me? Psalm 118:6. So this was the one that I made for the church. And because of this one, I was like, you know what? I was very inspired. So I did a few more. And then I had the sample made because I wanted to see the print, the sizing. And the one that I'm wearing, it's not gonna go further in production because I want to change the text and stuff. But these two, I'm gonna let them be produced. And so I have done a study in that is called Junior Product Management. And here is where I learned to do graphic design, like letter typing, designing on Illustrator, InDesign. And I've also done a internship for like 6 months at a company which had like multiple companies. They were producing for their own brands and for multiple like global brands that are very widely known here in Europe. And there is where I really honed my skill and really learned design. So this is something for me like a hobby. Like, I do this for fun. I have this skill and I freaking love it. So I wanted to, you know, take it to the next level. So here we have the other one. This is the one that I made for Valentine's season. Okay, this is a heavy blend, this is a small, and it says all we need is love. I really love this one, it's super cute. And then on the back we have the Lovers Club. super cool. I wanted to make it to have the print because I really wanted to see the quality of the print and the texture. Okay, this is a very interesting texture. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like, I love the design in general, I really do love it, but I think the Lovers Club should have been a bit bigger. And just the print on it, like, I love that it's red and it's like it's very you can see it, you know, like it's potent. So these are one of them that I made for the holidays, for Valentine's. The only thing I don't like is All We Need Is Love here. It's kind of like brownish, like it's not red. Like, this is super red, and then this one is not as red. Do you guys see it? But it's a beautiful print though. I love the print. So let's unpack the other one. So yeah, during this time I was just doing these designs, and I want to keep doing it because personally I love designing. I'm actually a designer basically, but I wanted to really these are the embroidery ones. So excited. Okay, I wanted to keep practicing this and, you know, do this like as a hobby. Like, for me, I'm starting this journey as a hobby, as something I love to do, I love to wear, I love graphic design, and to be able to design stuff that I enjoy is pretty freaking amazing. So this is my journey as to designing and creating. So next one, this is the embroidery one. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at this. It says All We Need Is Love, and it has like, it's red embroidery. It's so beautiful. I am obsessed. I am fucking obsessed. Let me just check the embroidery because I really want to see how this is. Okay. Oh, this is, oh yeah, okay. Because at the factory where I had my internship, where I did the internship, I learned about so many multiple techniques. Like, there are so many printing techniques, but now that's why I made these samples, because I want to see which technique are they using and the quality of it. That's very important, because you can have a design made, but oh my god, this is really freaking beautiful. This is so beautiful. I am obsessed with this one. So that's why I wanted to like have these samples made so I can see the quality. Like, again, it's on demand print, so it's not like I can bulk order, but I'm gonna see with the company where I've done an internship if maybe I can have a few I can send a few prints over there, because their quality of printing was next level. Amazing. Like, it was basically an Islamic company, and they had like huge machines in Turkey. So Turkey was the production company, and then in the Netherlands, where I did the internship, is basically the headquarters. That's where the designers made all of the stuff. We had the showrooms, clients, sample sale. All the sample came in before we would send for major production. So this is the next one, which is said Lucky Me. This is for Valentine's Day, and it's also like, it has like a small embroidery here on the hand, which is like this can be personalized. So I'm really excited, but I was doubting because I wanted to make one without the Lucky Me, just the heart, and then have the personalization on the hand, which can be any letter depending on your loved one, you know. So I think I'm gonna just remove the Lucky Me and have just the heart, and then on the wrist the personalization. What do you guys think? Like, let me know, because I love the Lucky Me, but you know, I think that I'm not sure if people would, I think people would like it for just to be hard, a simple, like, because that's simple, and then have it with the embroidery, so it will look kind of like this. I'm sorry guys. Yeah, something like this. without the Lucky Me, and then with the Lucky Me it will look like this. I'm gonna let both options and just let the people decide which one they like best. But I'm heavily obsessed with the embroidery. With the other print, I'm honestly not sure. I think I'm just gonna try with another supplier, because I don't like the quality of the print, especially of the front one. Like, the back is fucking amazing, I love it, but the front, I'm not sure. Okay, so this is another model. So these are the ones that have like the front pocket, because sometimes we love a good... Ooh, this is huge. Okay, this is really huge. So I think I'm gonna change this. I'm just gonna have it, let it be made smaller. I didn't consider how it says love. Well, it doesn't say love, it just like, this was just a test because I wanted it to be like personalized with the leather and then the heart, like, you know, just like the cards. So I'm gonna see, I think I'm gonna change this, but I just was curious of the production. Did I have something else made here? No. So this one was just on the left side, yeah. And let me see the print. Okay, yeah. I want to also to see the quality and the look of the green style. So far I love all the 3 embroideries one. The only one I'm doubting, honestly, is like this one, because I don't like the color of All We Need Is Love. Like, this is horrible. So I'm gonna change the I'm gonna see if I can find another supplier. But I do love the back. Like, I just love the design overall. I think it's really good design and nice design, but I don't like the color of it. Okay, guys. So those are things that I'm designing and that I want to take you guys on that journey with me. I'm gonna start recording more behind the scenes of these things, because like designing is super fun and I love this, and this is just like a process for me. So next up we have, I was in Spain. Let me just start first. I was in Spain and I went shopping, and I am crazy about perfumes. I love perfumes. But I love Arabic perfume, so I don't have much of like the mainstream perfume, and I love Arabic perfume. So one of the first one that I bought is the famous Jara Latafa one. So this one is basically a dupe for Prada candy. It smells a lot like Prada candy. So guys, I actually work for a brand that has that owns multiple perfumes. So I started working with them last year. I got hired by them, and I work as a freelancer on my free time. So not on my free time, when I want. And I've been working with them for like 2-3 months, and we had trainings and all this stuff, and it was super amazing. But again, I also did a major, so in my study at advertising at Willem de Kooning, I did a honoris program, and within that honoris program we had a lot of workshop where we were experimenting with smell, taste, and touch, like touching products and touching like the how do you call this, the texture, touching the texture, like experimenting. And it was super fun because it reminded me of a personal experience I had when I was like in 6th or 7th grade, something like that, where we also have a same experience where you would see different texture, different colors of things, and you had to like figure out what's the smell or taste. And it was super fucking fun. And when I got into this program, the honors program, I was so excited because I'm a sensual person, so I love everything that has to do with touch, with smell, with taste. Like, I would love to go deep within that world. And so we were learning so much about notes, layering notes, how to construct like perfume, how to construct oil. And I also experimenting with creating my own oils, creating like my own scents. So that was just for me, for my personal curiosity and hobby. And little did I know that the universe like aligned me in such a way that I'm now working with one of the company that owns like Paco Rabanne, Jean Paul Gaultier, Carolina Herrera, Nina Ricci, and many more brands. Like they have their product is like all over the globe, and basically what I do is like I work as a seller. And you know, I've years of experience in selling, because you know I was working as a visual merchandise sub-commercial director, and now working as a freelance. I only work for like luxury brands. So I started getting more into like perfumes. Like this is just a hobby and fun for me. Like this is the type of shit that makes me excited. So I got into Lattafa, into Arabic perfume, because for me personally, I always felt that Arabic are like the #1 when it comes to like perfumes, like ouds and stuff like that. Oh my god, like I bought a few ouds that are made and charged with energy. I am obsessed with them, fucking obsessed. Which they can be kind of expensive, honestly, but I don't care, because it's like I'm collecting, you know, it's like collecting infinity stones, baby. So let's get into it. So